Girl said she wanted something fancy for dinner, so today I'm making a French dish called macaron in tomato sauce, pairing it with plantains and mashed patantin. This was inspired by my hometown in the Garasson, which is in Paris. Baby loves international cuisine, so I'm sure she will love this one. Bon appetit!
Look what mackerel and boiled dumpling gone to. Wait name? Macaron and tomato sauce. Backside.
John Noah, big fair the boss panel left no play.
What you want? You want money? You dumb too?
If I'm a boy, me dumb, you know.
What?
Then me have bonus, you know, people. Me have some funny Chinese video here. So me have mix them going on with the Jamaican videos. You know I'm not gonna love them.
Come. I'm gonna beat someone in this until let's give me work. I'm gonna kill someone with it. Let my buck on the 8 o'clock I wanna see. You know dead. Remember all you all can see our video and you get me I come for you. You're gonna get licked till you full up. A brand new back on get look. Until let's give me work more whole one on the 8 o'clock I wanna see. Just make me whole one on.
Boy, if it's a woman like this, me have to take care of me and me yard. Me go on my knee, go back and beseech the doctor them if me stay in hospital. Who don't want to come out, come get them, kind of battery in it.
Remember saying the first place where the virus lodge in your throat. So that's why we can't get sick with stuff with our throat strong. Yeah, but that not stop you from catching it. And the sperms now when you swallow it burn out the coronavirus. That's what the video says.
I mismoved him, kind of abuse.
No, I did not mismove me because she was fixing up some stuff.
No, Daddy. Yeah? Me not gonna game shot.
Yes, you did.
Yo, shut your mouth. Daddy, me not gonna get.
Yeah, man, that's it again.
We're done.
Bad, man.
We're done for good.
Done for what?
You care back your ring and we're done.
You feel like you have a machine for me? How you feel
That
like?
have nothing to do with being.
No joke, Ziddy.
I mean by girl give me icky. You see no girl give me no icky?
Of course, see the icky right there,
Wait,
so.
wait,
See
wait,
it right there,
wait.
so
Where do you see?
Ziddy.
Where do you see?
Ziddy, I get the girl born.
Where do you see that icky for me?
See the icky right there, so me and
Wait.
idiot see the icky
Wait.
right there, so.
Wait,
I'ma
you're
have the
too
video with
loud.
you and the girl.
You're too loud.
No bother with the foolishness, you know that.
Yeah. You don't know about our next man, you know. What
I'm not blindfold over me, you know. I piece of string me just fight. Brother, you can't serious. I have to see this man. Brother, what you mean you have a look? Man, them talk to the man no? Brian, don't take off the blindfold, man. I want to see if I really string the man. Yeah, Brian. Just like that. The man nothing on my youth, Brian. This a get real serious. Yo, every man have an this a get real serious. No, the man I hear that you know more know why you have a one piece of string over for your eye them. Brother, I don't want to catch no niggeritis in my eye them, brother. That's why I don't put on a black blindfold over my eye. If you have a different color than black, me I probably use it, but black I go give me niggeritis in my eye them, brother. Brother, niggeritis is not something where you catch when you wear black blindfold. Niggeritis is when you feel tired, brother, after you name a food, brother. So that's why you put the string over your eye, my youth, you know, say it's a living fool. Are you for dead fuss, you know? Okay. You get me a part. Yo, here, every man hold them composure now.
He said a brother will call himself Fox Skull, a real cartoon, you know. Real comedian, me I tell you.
I cut you up and eat you with bok choy. Listen to you cry when your face is deep fried. American spring roll, 2 for 5. Shooting up your nation like you was at school. With more rage than under the figure ain't cool. Can't wait till the great war enter your anus. And record it like a porno so your gayness get famous. Feed your throat, chicken feet till you choke. Plant bamboo seed in your big bum hole. No hope as it grow, your ass so get poked. A lot water come out your mouth like a spoke. White devil. Bow down to your leader. Prepare to drink a leader of your gooey yellow fever. We're the best fighter. Nothing will be finer. Soon the whole world will be made in China.
I hold him up. 이게 내 앞이잖아. 피로.
Ellie Lewis utterance, I'm a room queen, but it's something I have to tell you. Me lungs clean, cause me take me vaccine. You think me ma do with you a dream? Yeah, me lungs clean, cause me take me vaccine. You think me ma do with you a dream?
Well, team not here done, you know. Video, we have video, we go on for the fire water in idea. You see me, I say? Cook, we are cook food. Hockey and saltfish and flour upon the water. See me, I say? Yeah, man. Fire water thing.